morning, my lovely children. Wishing you a wonderful day. I am Prerna ma'am. Children, yesterday you have learnt the spelling of number name 18 and the spellings of the months from September to December. Let's revise them once again. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Children, repeat after me. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Kites. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Rabbits. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Cars. September. September is the 9th month of the year. Let's learn its spellings. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. October is 10th month of the year. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. O-C-T-O-B-E-R. October. November is 11th month of the year. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. December is the 12th month of the year. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. D-E-C-E-M-B-E-R. December. Children, now we will write number name 18 and months of the year in the notebook. Today's date is 1/4/14.1.2121. Now we have to write the heading. For writing heading, leave 2 boxes and then write capital N, then small u, then M, B, E, R. Number. Now we have to leave 1 box and write name. First we have to write capital N, then small a, M, E. Number, name. Children, now we have to leave 1 box and then write number 18. 1, 8, 18. Then small dash. Then we have to write number name 18. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. All the letters should be small. Now we have to leave 1 box and again write number 18. Then small dash. Then number name 18. E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. Again leave 1 box and write 18. Then E, I, G, H, T, E, E, N. 18. Again leave 1 box and write number 18. E, I G H T E E N 18. Children, you have to complete the full page like this. Today's date is 14.1.21. Now we have to write the heading. For writing heading, first we have to leave two boxes and then write capital M. Rest of the letters are small. O, N, T, H, S. Months. Then leave one finger space. Then O, F, off. Again leave one finger space. Then T, H, E, the. Again leave one finger space. Now we have to write capital Y. And rest of the letters are small. E, A, R. Months of the year. Let's draw a line in the middle of the page. Let's write the months. After heading, we have to leave one box and then before margin, we have to write number 1. Now, first month, that is January. So, first we have to write capital J, small a, N, U, A, R, Y, January. Then, second month. Second month is February. So, first we have to write capital F, then small e, B, R, U, A, R, Y, February. Third month is March. Capital M, A, R, C, H, March. Fourth month is April. Capital A, P, R, I, L, April. Fifth month is May. Capital M, A, Y, May. Sixth month is June. Capital J, U, N, E, June. Seventh month is July. Capital J, U, L, Y, July. Eighth month is August. Capital A, U, G, U, S, T, August. Ninth month is September. Capital S, E, P, T, E, M, B, E, R, September. 10th month is October. Capital O, C, T, O, B, E, R, October. 11th month is November. Capital N, O, V, E, M, B, E, R, November. 12th month is December. Capital D, E, C, E, M, B, E, R, December. Children, You have to write months of the year like this in both the columns. Children, I hope you enjoyed today's session. See you soon. Bye-bye.